Met her in old Mexico. She was laughing and sad and young in a smoky room where no one could see. All the poets, they all agree, Spanish is a loving tongue, but she never spoke Spanish to me. Met her in old Monterey, when all the Christmas songs were sung, the Padres knew what she would grow up to be. Saints and sinners, they all agree, Spanish is a loving tongue, but she never spoke Spanish to me. Like a lion screaming in a jungle low, she never flew with frames she couldn't see. She spoke to all the shadows in her bungalow, but she never spoke Spanish to me. She said, if you're from Texas, son, where's your boots and where's your guns? Well, I got guns that no one can see. We laughed at that and we both agreed, Spanish is a loving tongue, but she never spoke Spanish to me. But she never spoke Spanish to me. This is what real Tex-Mex sounded like. This song was original and the first #1 record for Mr. Balamarreta, Freddie Fender. Here we go.
Why don't you go ahead and tell him I wrote it too, okay?